Hey and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you my productivity system Notion template called Productivity Copilot, which is designed to help you manage all your projects, tasks, areas of life, resources, and notes. So when you open this Productivity Copilot, on the top you see quick actions. So it's a quick capture to add new tasks, new notes, new resources, and new projects. Then also you see today's agenda. So this is just a list of all tasks which were planned for today. So you can quickly see what you have to do today. And just a task name, priority, related project, and a checkbox to complete the task. Then the Productivity Copilot has a section to manage projects. So here you can see all projects not started, ongoing, and completed. And also you can see calendar, timeline where you can easily reschedule your project, let's say extend it, and see like project name, status, related area, and progress. The progress is based on the tasks. And if you go inside, here we see like project status, start date, end date, area, goals, notes, related tasks, progress. And also here you see table with all tasks for that project and also related notes for that project. And if we scroll a little bit down, here we have tasks and planning center. So on the calendar, you can easily plan your tasks, reschedule, and also see all not completed tasks, all tasks in general, and completed tasks. And each task has a name, a checkbox to complete the task, priority level, date, related project, and this created field when the task was originally created. Then the productivity system has areas where you can manage all areas of your life. So for example, this area has a description, related goals, related notes, related project, and also a view with all connected goals, projects, and notes visualized here. And if we scroll a little bit down, the productivity system has a goals manager section, so you can manage all your goals, all goals not started, ongoing, and completed. And the goal has target date, related project, area, when it was created, progress based on the projects that are connected to that goal, and also a list of all projects here for quick visualization. And then the productivity system has a section to manage notes. So all notes, archived notes. You can quickly archive note from this view. And each note has like a date when it was added, area, category, and related project. And also you can categorize your notes. So for example, business related, personal, or like marketing, whatever. And similar to goals to nodes, we have the template has resources. So different kinds of resources, category, date of creation, tags, if it's like a website, article, book, video, and related resource category, and a link to the resource. And in resource categories here, you can see all resources for this category. And lastly, the productivity system has daily reflections where you can reflect on your day, and those daily reflections are created automatically every day. It's configured this repeat here, and inside daily reflections there is like mood tracker, things you're grateful for, and best and worst parts of the day. And also here I have a template walkthrough showing how you can set up this template. So I hope you liked this productivity copilot, and if you did, you can get it at Grizzly Templates Marketplace. I will leave the link to the template in the comments. And if you like the video, give it a like and follow me for more Notion related content. Thank you for watching this video.